Hey YouTubers, welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going back into the Harbor Freight website and we're going to be checking out the 5 most popular and most reviewed tool storage options from Harbor Freight. So these may not, I've done a couple of these videos before. We did plumbing, I think we did electrical. We're going to be doing like wrenches and ratchets and dedicated videos for each one of those, and we're going to break down the most popular ones for each video. This one specifically going over tool storage. Now, I didn't just go with the 5 with the highest reviews because they would have probably all been US General. So I did 2 or 3 from US General. I did a Yukon and an Icon as well, so we can get a little bit from each brand. So if you guys enjoy this type of video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up so I know how many of you guys actually enjoy this type of content, or drop a comment down below what specific videos you guys would like to see as well. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. So getting into the first one, I did put these in order from the most reviewed to the least reviewed, but all of them have been reviewed quite a bit. So the first one being obviously the most popular, the 30-inch 5-drawer service cart. This one being specifically the slate gray, but they do have, what, 7 different color options? 8 different color options. So quite a variety of colors there. You got blue, red, black, green, orange, yellow, the slate gray, and the white. This is one that I've wanted for so long, but here at the house I don't have a need necessarily. Now, I just sold 2 just plain Jane tool carts to kind of maybe justify buying one of these when it drops down to 200 again on a sale. But the slate gray and the white are the 2 color options that I really find appealing in these 5-drawer service carts, and there are thousands of people using these in the professional field every day. All the dealerships that I go to every single week, there are so many people running these carts, and they do hold up well. Are they Snap-on quality? Are they Matco quality? No, not even remotely. But for the price, they are by far the best tool cart you can get for the money. There is no other tool cart at this price range. Even though the prices went up, $100, $150 over the last few years. I think I remember these selling for like $160 a few years back. But even at this price range, you're not going to find a cart like this, of this size, for this price range. You're going to find very cheap, generic carts at this price. If you find another cart similar to this, it's probably around the $500, $600 price range, and that's not even getting into the professional tool truck brands. So this is still, at this price, a great little tool cart. It does have locks on all of the drawers. I won't go into too much detail because I don't want the video to be too long. Locking wheels or casters. You got a little side cabinet for cans and whatnot, any miscellaneous items. And then you can also buy the additional side shelf for it as well, and they have that in all the different color options as well. It is at $289. They did just have a sale not too long back. Can't remember if it was a Memorial Day sale or a parking lot sale, but it was like $200. So at that price, definitely a buy. $289, it's still not bad. Like I said, there's not many other carts out there at this price range that is even worth it. So there's a little bit of information on it if you guys would like to pause and take a look at that, but let's go ahead and move on to the next item. Before we do that, this one has a 99% rating with 11,690 reviews. Next up is the Yukon 46-inch 9-drawer mobile storage cabinet with a solid wood top. This one being the black color option. They do have 4 different color options. This one is at $400, and it has a total weight capacity, storage capacity of 1,200 pounds. $400, it's not bad. There are some other options around that price range out there, not just at Harbor Freight, but other, Lowe's and Home Depot. This price range, you're kind of getting into more of the general pricing compared to some of the other brands. But this one has a 99% rating as well with 5,759 reviews. It does have ball bearing slides, the solid wood worktop, keyed locking system, 2 200-pound drawers and 7 100-pound drawers, welded steel construction, 10,300 cubic inches of capacity, and the heavy-duty 5x2-inch casters. So it's a pretty good DIY box. I don't see too many of these in the professional field. They aren't bad, but these ones aren't. The Yukon stuff isn't the highest quality stuff. I mean, obviously, we're at Harbor Freight, but I would say below the US General lineup. But still, if you're looking for a really affordable, decent-sized little box, this isn't a bad option at all. They do have it in red, blue, black, and white, and here's the information on it. I've basically stated most of this, but if you would like to pause, you may do so. Actually, you can pause whenever you want. I'm not telling you what to do, just telling you what you can do. Next up is the US General 44-inch by 22-inch double bank roller cabinet. This is the Series 2. Keep in mind that I don't know how long Series 2 boxes are going to be sticking around. Right now, only certain sizes of the Series 3 have been released, but I'm sure over time Series 3 is going to take over all of the toolbox sizes, so you may see these Series 2 phasing out, so you may want to catch them while the price is still decent, because when I look at the Series 3, I feel like there isn't quite enough improvement on them to justify the price difference, but I still think the Series 3 is a great box. Just there's quite a price increase on them. This one has a 99% rating as well, with 4,401 reviews. This is going to come with 6 different color options. You're going to have the red, blue, black, green, orange, and yellow, basically missing out on the white and the slate gray. And then obviously you can see here that you can get the 44-inch top chest as well. I just did not include that in this video just because it's its own separate thing. And then you can build yourself a whole little tool cabinet workstation. Pretty versatile little setup with the US General stuff that they got going on. This rolling cabinet can transport up to 2,600 pounds. So this 44-inch one does have a little bit more capacity than the Yukon one that we were looking at, but it is also $180 more than what we were looking at. Let me not confuse you. This is what you're getting, not all of this. Those are just things that you can do to it. So here's a little bit more information on it if you would like to pause, but I do like the depth of these and the overall design. A good variety of drawer widths, a bunch of pretty shallow drawers. You got a couple medium depth drawers at the bottom and the top. So a good versatile little box. Next up is basically the little baby version of what we were just looking at, the US General 26-inch by 22-inch single bank roller cabinet. And this one is at $350. This one has a 100% rating, which doesn't make any sense since it has 396 4 stars and 3 stars and 2 stars. So I don't know how they do their percentages, but 100% would recommend. So even the person giving a 1-star review still recommends this product. It does have 3,585 reviews, and it is available in the same 6 color options, just missing out on the white and slate gray. And then they do have the top for this as well, as you can see there. There are the different color options. This one has 9,800 cubic inches of space and can hold up to 1,000 pounds with 5-inch metal casters, and a little bit more information there for you. Overall, I think the US General lineup is a great toolbox lineup. If I would ever have an issue with my Husky box, my Husky 52-inch flat black toolbox, if I ever decide to swap out or something happens to mine, the US General lineup is probably one of the first ones that I'm going to look at when replacing this toolbox, just because it's one that I've always enjoyed, and they have a lot of different options and attachments and things like that. So, and I see US General boxes used in the professional field all the time, and as long as you're not the most aggressive person with your toolbox, they do hold up very well. And then last up, the most popular icon is going to be the 73-inch by 25-inch professional roll cab. This one being blue. This one is at $3,500, so we are looking at a big price increase from everything else that we've looked at. It's also quite a bit bigger than everything else we looked at, but there is a big price difference in between the US General and the icon. There is a big quality difference as well, but it's up to you to decide whether that price increase is worth it or not. I also suggest, if you're considering any of these toolboxes, go in person and get your hands on it, feel it out, look over it thoroughly, figure out its weak points, its strong points, and determine which one is best and what price you're trying to stay in. This one comes in 4 different colors, the red, blue, black, and green. It does come with free door-to-door delivery and a lifetime warranty, and they have a full line of replacement parts available. Here are the 4 color options: 8,000 pound weight capacity with 2,000 pound rated casters, 2 times 4. Yep, you get it. 14 gauge and 16 gauge double wall steel frame, 265 pound rated slides per pair, and then you have convenient exterior power as well. And then here's kind of a little bit of a layout up in the corner. You can see kind of the different things that you can do with this, the different accessories that they have available for it. Their little power drawer, And the new US General Series 3, I believe, basically got this same layout as well, as far as these two drawers. You get the power strip, but when it comes to the tool storage drawer, you do have to buy the accessory that actually holds the tools in there. Then you got a little work area right there if need be. You can also keep paperwork in that drawer. Lots of photos on this thing. There's the power station, 2 outlets, 2 USBs. Here you can adjust the tension on the drawer. The big heavy duty casters, drawer liners, more available options. I will try to remember to put the Harbor Freight website down in the description if you guys want. Obviously, you guys can easily find Harbor Freight, but it's there if you want it. Go ahead and check these toolboxes out if you're interested in one of these. Once again, I suggest going in person and actually getting your hands on it, checking them out. And a lot of information on the icon boxes, so I'm not going to go over everything. Once again, you can pause if you want, or you can go directly to the website and check this out. And once again, that is it as far as Harbor Freight's top 5 most popular, most rated, highly recommended tool storage options. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts on this video, as well as any other video ideas that you would like to see. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.